Tidak pandang sensualnya. Aku malah tak boleh. Ini orang sakit dengan musuh. Pandang. Kita akan sampai di situ. Tidak saja mengenai joto, orang yang
Adil is in charge?
Yes, sir.
Rikha Khumulwng sini Bubagra ini Grass Rehabilitation Center Phiyogwi Rikha Khumulwng
यहाँ पे एक हमारी तरफ से रूम I'll come again, but in 1 month's time. डाइनिंग हॉल में तो लोग टीवी देखेगा। अब कमरा कर लिया तो वो यहाँ में एक होगा तो सब लोग यहाँ आएगा, एक साथ बैठेगा, खाएगा। हाँ, फैन फैन एक अच्छा सा टीवी यहाँ में लगा तो हाँ No.
Program in the hall, so I will not take very long. First of all, I am very happy that this rehabilitation center, the drug rehabilitation center, has been started. Over 1 year ago, I remember my CEO myself going and meeting the then Chief Secretary and asking him for funds to start this project. And we went there twice, we met the Chief Secretary, and while he is not here with us today, it is very important that we don't forget that he also played a small role in giving us the funds required to start this project. Tripura has a drug problem, and this drug problem affects the indigenous people the most. The government has come up with a policy called Nasha Mukt Tripura. But till the time we do not stop the same politicians who say Nasha Mukt Tripura and also promote drugs, Tripura will never be drug free. We are a border state and our borders are porous. And till the time we do not let our youth, and I am very happy that I have my EM for sports and youth also here. Till the time our youth don't realize that if you want the Tiprasar to survive, you have to reject drugs. If you want our future generation to be stronger than the present one, our mind has to be clear, our heart has to be larger than life, and a vision for a new Tripura has to be without drugs. Drugs have destroyed many societies and continues to destroy our society as well. People who pray, people who understand the devastation of drugs have to realize one thing, that the first people who get affected when someone's son or daughter becomes a drug addict is not anyone but their own family. I have seen families being destroyed because people became addicts. I have seen the pain in the eyes of a mother and the disappointment in the eyes of a father when he sees his children become drug addicts. Addiction is a problem, and it is our job to ensure that how do we counter this. And I'm very glad that ADC has started this. I'm very glad because there were many obstacles. We faced many challenges. But I must thank EM Area. I must thank other EMs, including Rikha Khumulwng, my CEM, I have to thank Ganesh Verma, who is a local area NPC, who have risen beyond their own interest so that we can create a rehabilitation center for the children. I will also request my CEO, my CEM, the minister, EMs concerned, how we can make this place, how we can beautify this place, how we can look after the children. And I also request, and I would like to thank armed forces who are here. How you also through your CSR can help us. अगर स्वस्थ हिंदुस्तान को बनना है, उससे पहले हमारे नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को बचाना है. और ये जो ड्रग्स का जो व्यापार है, ये आपसे ज्यादा अच्छा कौन जानता है? आप तो सीमा में, और आप जानते हैं कि अगर हमें नशा मुक्त त्रिपुरा को रोकना है, अगर नशा मुक्त त्रिपुरा को सच में साकार करना है, तब बॉर्डर से जो लोग ड्रग्स लेकर आ रहे हैं, हाँ पॉलिटिकल बैकिंग है उनका, बड़े अमीर लोग भी हैं उसमें, लेकिन अगर देश को बचाना है तो इसको रोकना है. This has become a business, and it is our business to stop their business, because these people will destroy our next generation. I request sisters here, I request people from NGOs, I request EMs, I request the media. Media has a big role to play. The real role of media is to present the real picture. And drugs is affecting our society. And thirdly, I would hope that this place will become even better. Personally, I think I would like to come once this place becomes fully operational. I would like to see the teachers, I would like to see the doctors, I would like to see the consultants, I would like to see a lovely open green area here. And I'm very happy. I've seen the quality of work, looks very nice. I think this place, open green area here. And I'm very happy. I've seen the quality of work, looks very nice. I think this place required a woman's touch, and I think the woman's touch has come. I'm very happy. Genuinely, I think today is Kharchi Puja. It's a Kharchi festival, and I think what you've done is a gift for all of us. Seriously, I'm very happy. Thank you very much, and I hope this place one day will no longer be required in Tripura, because we will have no drug addicts. And I hope we have started something which will end in the victory for the youth, for the family, for society, and for our state and country as well.